Right. Exercise 6.1, sum number 6. A survey gives the following information of food items, vegetable, meat. We have to draw a pie chart, right? So, draw a pie chart means this is pie chart, you know. This is in the circular shape, pie chart. So, we have to separate the angles. These are the components, various components in the pie chart. So, how we have to calculate for people buy the vegetables, meat, salad, bread like this. These are the given data, right? So, here how we have to mention in the pie chart in the degree, because in pie chart this is one like the circle. The degree of the circle is 360 degree. So, the formula is center angle equal to value by total into 360 degree. What is value? Value of the component. This is one component. 160 is the value here. 90 is the value here. 80. Total means total number of people. So total number is what? 450 people. We are add these. How many people buy the vegetable? How many people buy the meat, bread like this fruits? So 450 people total. So that is total into 360 degree. Why you have to apply 360 means this is in the circular shape. Circular shape means the angle is 360 degree. So we need to write 360 degree. So this is formula for the drawing a pie chart. Mention the degree, right? So for example, vegetable is what? 160. That is value of the component. These are called component. This is one component. This is one component, this one component, right? So 160 by total is what? 450 into 360 degree. This 0 will be, I cancelled 9 4 times, 9 5 times. Then we can't cancel. 160 60 into 4 640 by 5. Cancel means 5 1 time, 5 2 time, 5 8 time. That is 640. We divide means 5 ones are 5. Remaining 1. 5 here 4 means 5 into 2 times 10. Remaining 4, 0 for 0. 5 into 8, 40. So we are getting 128 degree is the answer, right? Then here 90 by 450 equal to 360 degree. 0 will be cancelled. 9 1 time, 9 5 times, right? So 360 by 5. 360. 5 7 times 35. Remaining 1 0. 5 2 times 10. That is 72 degree is the answer. Then 80. 80 by 450 into 360 degree. 0 will be cancelled. 9 4 times, 9 5 times. 8 into 4 32, 1 0, 320 by 5. 5 6 times 30. 5 4 times 20. 64 is the answer. 64 degree, right? Then here 50 50 here I written 50 by 450 into 360 degree. 0 cancel. 5 9 times 9 4 times 40. 40 degree is the answer here. 30 by 450. into 360 degree. 0, 0 will be cancelled. 9 5 times, 9 4 times, 5 6 times. 6 into 4, 24 degree is the answer. Again, get 40, yeah? 40 by 450 into 360 degree. 0 0, 9 4 times, 9 5 times, right? Here 40 is there, 1 0 is there, so 5 8 times, 32 degree, right? We find the degrees of all the vegetables and the fruits, bread, salad, meat, right? So we find all the degree, center angle we can find by using this formula. Now we have to draw here. Just draw one circle, put the center point, draw one line like this, like the radius. So this is 128, nearly big. So comparing these values, 120 will be big. So 128 degree. This is what? Vegetables. Then, so listen, 128 degree. So I clearly write 128 degree. This is what? Vegetables. Then meat 72. Meat. Then salad 64. 64 degree. Salad. Then fruits 40. degree. Fruits 24 degree. And then bread 32 degree. Right? Like this we have to mention the components: vegetables, meat, salad, fruits, sprout and bread. Clear? Now how we have to check this is correct or not? Because we add these angles, we have to get here 360 degree. Total degrees 360 will come. Definitely will come. You check the answer. So 128 plus 72, nearly 2, 130, 200, 200 plus 40, 240, 240, this is plus 60, 300, 304, 304 plus 4, 308, and then 20, 3 and 28, and then 2, 30, 360. So how we have to check the given, your answer is correct or not? We have to write the, add the angles. We are getting always 360 degree and also total 450. You have to draw this diagram. You get the answer clearly. Thank you.